Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel on the media as The Art of a Man right here. Kind of like addition of theater and Emmanuel at the end of the video. So it's nothing that hard to understand. But right now in the video, just skip that aside. I'm going to be talking about microphone, mostly about this video. But in this video, I'm going to make it dedicated to those microphones for now because I have various ones. I spend a lot of quality in giving those microphones the test they need. So in this one, I'm going to be making use of 3 microphones to test the quality and how you can actually make your efficient gestures in purchasing those. These ones I have presently, I'm just going to dish out your opinions I have, and then if you can actually get it or if it's needed for you to actually need it in the future purpose as well. So right now I'm holding my mic itself, recording on my mobile phone because it has a headphone jack, wired lavalier mic itself. I have the lapel mic, but it's also a wired one, and it's a 1-channel microphone. 1-channel microphone meaning that it also has a TR microphone jack. It has a 1 pointed mic for only one audio sounding either on the left ear or the right ear, only one. This is the 3rd mic I'm going to be unboxing now. This is the wireless mic. I'm going to be upgrading to it as well for my own personal use. And this is the 1-channel one I've been talking about. This is a lapel 1-channel microphone. I'm going to explain that too further in the video. Please don't click away. Click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. For welcoming subscribers, then like this video, share this video. And if you really enjoy it, make sure you comment anything you want on it. So actually, the one I'm using to record now is a Lavalier mic, Lavalier, from Jumia. Actually, this microphone itself was a very good mic from Jumia. I got it some years back and I've enjoyed my purchase when using it. I have 3 mics actually. These are the mics I've used. This is the lapel mic. This one is a 1-channel mic. This is just for normal explanation, no pun intended. So when talking about wireless, we have these 3 pointed mouths on these microphones itself. So actually you can see there's a kind of difference between these 2 right here. You can see that the first one by the silver headphone jack mouth, it has the first black pin, 2nd black pin, and the 3rd black pin. The other one has first black and 2nd black pin. So what actually means is that this first one can do both microphone in, audio in, and audio out as well. What is it trying to tell about? It's saying that you can use this as well to listen to audio, to speak out to the mic, and also to voice out as well. That's 3 in 1. Why this one is only 2? It talks about TRS. This is TRRS. TRS. That is 3-channel, 2-channel, and 1-channel. This 1-channel is only coming to 1 speaker. It only does audio out because it doesn't have space for a microphone and it doesn't have space for your earphone. Actually, it only has a space for a mic. It's only 1 mic, and in this 1 mic and 1 channel, it only means that once you're speaking through the microphone itself, it's only 1 audio sound signal you can hear from 1 ear. So you hear only the audio from either a left ear or the right ear. That's for 1 channel. Whereas in 2-channel microphone, you hear from both ears, but you can't listen to audio. You only speak out to the microphone. That is for TRS. For the TRRS now, which has everything, you can speak out to the microphone, you can listen to music with your AirPod or your speakers, and you can also speak out to the mic as well. You can do both together, while speaking, while listening, and takes in audio, takes out audio, and listening as well. The smallest one with 1 channel is TS, the 2nd one with 2 channels is TRS, and the 3rd one with 3 channels is TRRS. Please don't get that confused. The wired microphone spectrum. So thanks for that. I'm going to go to this next one right now. So I got the other mic I'm going to be talking about. So this is the wireless microphone I got from TEMU. Actually, it doesn't actually come in different variants, but this one comes in this one I got actually. I went for the headphone jack variant, whereas you can be able to connect it to your camera itself. I don't have a camera that uses Type-C in for audio as well as I'm using to record. It only uses micro USB headphone jack. So this is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to connect this and test it right now for you guys to see how the audio is. If it's going to be very preferable for you to like, that's what I'm going to go straight into. So this is the mic itself. I'm going to do a test. I'm going to run the test right now to see how it works. This is it right here. See, this is what is written on the description right here. I hope you can see me. I hope it's clear enough. So I've brought this is the receiver from the microphone. When you want to connect the receiver, you just plug it out and press the button. There's a button right here. Hold it down, and it shows the green and red light. It means ready for pair. So what you just need to do is hold this down right here and bring out the microphone. In this case, I'm going to use a single one because I've already had 2. This is the microphone itself. This is the receiver. This is the receiver. Receiver is what you're going to connect to your mobile device. This is the microphone. So I'm going to hold this button by the end right here. There's a button at the end. Once I've hold it, it's going to show a kind of light green and red lights ready for pair. Let's hold that now and see. Can you see? It's paired already. So once you need to pair it together, you see that they are showing both green and blue. So you click on the green button click on the button again once again on the receiver, so it turns to green. It means that it's ready to go. So all you just need to do now is to connect it to your mobile device to record audio. Actually, what I'm actually using to stream my own audio, for those that don't know, I am streaming from my mobile device. So actually, when I'm doing post-editing and pre-editing my videos, I'm going to merge them together. It's not really like a hard process because I know at the end the editing is. So that's how I do my own audio itself. I sync everything together. Once you know how to do it, it's going to be more efficient for you. I'm going to be upgrading to this as well because it's going to be my own main mic now for now. Hey guys, so this is the mic test on the wireless microphone from TEMU. How does the audio sound? Put this mic in my mouth. So guys, this is the microphone test on the TEMU reviewed microphone. The microphone receiver is connected right here. You can see. So I'm speaking straight into the mic right now. How does the audio sound? Is it good? Testing the microphone. I'm going to read something that is written here. So it reads wireless microphone, wireless, live show, interview, video, short video, and vlog. For Type-C, for iPhone, and 2-in-1. Shenzhen. So still on the video, this is the record on the microphone itself, the wireless microphone. What do you think about the quality, guys? Is it a good quality? I'm speaking straight into the mic right now. My camera just died. I just needed to add some charging tech to it. So I'm basically charging it right now while using it. So what do you think about the audio? Is it good? I'm also going to do a distance test for you guys now to see it. This is the mic itself. This is the mic receiver. I'm going to drop it right here. I'm going to go a far distance without the audio quality. I'm going to go my tab. So I'm going to go a little bit far from here. So guys, here I am. I'm walking. Keep going a long distance. How does the audio of the quality sound of the microphone? Is it good? How does it sound? I want you to know and tell me what you think about the audio in the description. Is this a good audio? Let me know in the comment section. I'm far away now. I'm almost like 10 meters away. I've also entered the room. The room is a little bit quiet. I know you can see there's a little bit of sound. Noise cancellation right here because this room is a little bit silent. So I'm going to come out now to the main room. I'm recording the video. How do you think the audio is? Let me know in the comment section, guys. So, what do you think about the quality? Is it good? Let me know in the comment section. So now I'm going to make use of the lapel mic now, the final one, to see your guys' analysis. Let me know in the comment section how the audio sounds. I think I'm going to make use of this for now because it also has active noise cancellation. I think there's a kind of button you press inside in this one to make the noise cancellation more effective and the voice more effective. I'm going to learn that soon further in the video. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you the lapel mic, how it works. Let's keep this for now. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I have a tripod right here. You can see this is an affordable one. I'll put a link in the description for you guys to see. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Peace.